everyone. Next, we'll start off by drawing this U shape and then afterwards add a Y within it. Now, do a downward facing V and then afterwards draw 7 underneath it. Continue on, draw the leaves on either side of it and color this in. Next, we'll start off by drawing the circular shape. Afterwards, draw this other line to it as well. Add an inner circle, add petals to it, and then continue these on either side of it. Now, after you're done with this, draw this little stem at the base as well. Now, add leaves on either side of it. Erase the outer lines of it, and then afterwards add the pollen in the middle. Now, color the leaves in pink, or rather the petals in pink as such. You may use any color that you want. You may also shade these leaves. Now, add leaves at the bottom, color this in, and even the stem. Next, start off by drawing this curved line and then afterwards make it into a loop as such. Add these petal-like shapes beside it, add layers to this figure. Underneath it, draw what looks like a paddy leaf and then continue on and draw the details to it. After this, connect the top flower to this and then add a little bud to the side as well. Connect them both. Afterwards, add thorns to the stem as well and then slowly color them in pink and green respectively. Next, we'll start off by drawing this little twirl and then afterwards draw the base of the rose as well. Now, start off by drawing a heart shape. This would be a better way to draw the rose. Add this twirl within it, add vertical lines to it as well. Underneath it, draw a U shape and then within it, draw a Y shape. Add a stem at the bottom and then draw leaves to the stem as well. Add the detailing to it, don't forget to add the thorns. Now color all of this in red. After this, color the leaves in green as well as the stem. This is the final look of it. Next, in order to draw a flower, instead of doing this, we'll start off by drawing this ovular shape and then within it, draw another small ovular shape. Connect the smaller shape to the larger shape as such and then, using a black marker, make these curved petal-like designs to it as such. Now, underneath it, you may also draw on the stem and then afterward, draw the leaves on either end. Erase the rest of it as well and then afterwards, color the center in yellow and then draw lines within each of these petals. Slowly begin to color it in the colors that you've used. Next, we'll start off by drawing a flower. Now, instead of doing it so simply, we'll start off by drawing ovular shapes one beside the other. Draw them in an almost circular shape and then within them, draw this pollen-like shape to it. Afterwards, add the stem underneath it and then add the leaf to it on either side as well. Color this in. Next, we'll start off by drawing these 3 lines in 6 different sets. We'll be making different kind of flowers out of each of them. As you can see, for the first one we have made these tulip-like flowers. For the second one we are moving on and then making dots in a circular shape, adding a yellow dot within it and making it into a flower. For the third one we've added these red circles and made it into a rose as such, and then we've used the white marker in order to make the lines within. For the fourth one as well, we are making these twirls at the top of it and making this kind of a flower. Now, for the fifth one, we are using a blue pen and then afterwards we are making a different kind of a flower, kind of like a bellflower. Now for the sixth, we are making what looks like a lavender flower by adding multiple dots along the line. Add leaves to each of them. Next, we'll be learning how to make a flower. So the better way to do this is to start off by drawing an ovular shape, add another smaller ovular shape within this, and then slowly begin to draw petals, connecting the 2 pieces together as such. Now add a circular shape within it as well. Draw on the stem underneath it and then add the leaves on either side. Erase the outer lining of it as such. Slowly begin to color it in pink as such, and then color the inside in yellow, shade it as well. Thank you for watching.